This is a quick demo of a project I'm calling Parrot One. The idea with this project is to have a system that basically stores your prompts and responses, provided that you haven't prompted that before and it hasn't seen it before. So what it does is to store it. In other words, as a developer, you may say caching, and it'll basically allow you to give the same prompt again or around similar tone of words, and then give you the response again. So the benefits of this is that you save up on tokens, and you have the benefit of just being able to access your knowledge offline, and this not being a large language model means that it's also fast. It's built on what's called rule-based, using a rule-based technique to build this. So I'm just gonna quickly start showing you how it works. So to start with, I've created like a prompt with different requests in it. So basically, to tell you what this says is basically telling the system that I'm feeling unhappy and today, and asking for the weather, and also asking for some help with some homework. So you're gonna see how fast this is. When I press that, boom, it just shows you the answer just like that, which is great. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna basically ask it something that he hasn't been asked before. So we're just gonna say how many moons. Actually, I've asked this one before, so let me not do that. Let's say what is matter, and or what does it do, and then boom, let's see what it says. So basically it says I'm not sure how to respond to that. So what it's going to do, it's going to request the answer from a large language model, and now we have the answer there. So yeah, so that now I can try and ask that again, and what should happen is that it should just basically bring up the answer without saying I'm sorry, I don't have knowledge of that. What is matter and what does it do? Here we go. And just like that, boom, we've got the answer, which is great. And like I said, you saw that it didn't do the routine of saying I'm sorry, I don't know how to respond, I'm going to go and learn that. And yeah, so I'm gonna do another example. Let's basically maybe we'll turn off the Wi-Fi. I'll do this and then we'll turn off the Wi-Fi. So I'll ask first, how many countries do we have on Earth? So it should say I'm sorry because I never asked it before, and then it's going to learn, and then it brings up the answer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn off the Wi-Fi so that the ability to go learn is not available, but we should be able to get the answer anyway. How many countries do we have on planet Earth? I've sort of made it different, so let's see what happens. Here we go, and there you go. The answer is now stored in the system, and it can retrieve it for us. So yeah, I think this is a great tool to have. It's a great framework to have as part of your system. If you're using large language models, whatever systems, certain prompts, you do them over and over again, and you don't need to keep sending the prompt to OpenAI or whatever company is hosting the large language model that you're using. You can just have a system that can store certain things that you know you're gonna prompt again and try and get responses for again. Yeah, so this is Parrot One. It's a work in progress. It's open source, so I'm hoping to work with the community to build it. I've already put it out on GitHub, and hopefully everyone likes it. Or obviously, everyone likes everything, but yeah, I'm hoping I'll get some positive input on this, and yeah, let's work on it together. Thank you.